I think simplify the answer to this question, Mr. Chairman, Madam Senator. I think the concern is, kapag po, halimbawa, no, yung proyektong pinakita natin kanina sa Region 4B, that was in Romblon, no, by the way, kung ganun po kalaki yung cut doon, no, 68 versus I think yung tama dapat na cut na 37% instead of 68. So kalahati. Wala pong magbibid doon sa proyektong yun. Wala magbibid. Kasi po, hindi po kaya, no? So, ang pwede pong gawin ng DPWH doon is igsian yung, imomodify po yung proyekto. Ibig sabihin, kung yan 10 kilometro dapat, pwedeng gawin ng DPWH, iigsian, no, yung proyekto para lang maging implementable. Pero, yan po, ginagawa po yan, no? It's called modification, no? But, yun nga, sayang nga po yung economic activity. Kasi obviously, pagka yung 10 kilometro po, ginawa na lang 5 kilometro o 3 kilometro, lesser economic activity po yun, mas maigsi yung trabaho, yung araw na pagtatrabahuan ng ating mga kababayan, etc. Mas konting simento, mas konting bakal, etc. So yun po ang real effect po ng isang proyektong tulad nung pinakita natin kanina. Pero tama po kayo. Marami pong mga proyekto ng DPWH na hindi natatapos ng on time, no? Pero ganun po ang immediate effect kung susundin po natin yung nasa Senate version. So, tama po kayo, we can live with it. We can, to be quite honest. But that is the real effect. If a project is reduced from 41 million to 13 million, when the real price based on the new prices is a project of 30 million, then there will be an effect on the project itself. Yun nga po, we're just informing the honorable members of the BICAM of that real effect.